What's up, guys? Welcome back to episode number 4. Today's episode we're going to be prepping and cleaning the block for paint and a rebuild. If you come down here, first off we got gloves because we don't want to get our hands dirty, especially me. We have the towels for wiping off excess oil and dirt. Can never have enough brake and parts cleaner. And then we have the steel wool and this brush to scrub into like tighter places and get off a little more stubborn dirt. And I got the ratchet out with a 14mm socket to take off the alternator bracket. Alright, so the first step here, I didn't take the alternator off in the last video. Like I said, ratchet, 14mm socket. It's just this bolt here. Just gonna take this off here. It's already loose here. There it is. Just gonna take this bolt and put it right back in there so we don't lose it. A few threads, it's in there. Next step in the process is we're going to be getting all the light dirt and oil off of the outside of the block here. Let's come over here. I'm going to just do some basic scrubbing here with the microfiber towel. Just get in all the nooks and crannies and whatnot. And we'll come back over this probably with the brush then later. You'll see a little better results with the brush, like in these places that are hard to get to right in here, like these little divots. So the next step here is going to be cleaning the cylinder bores out. Just going to take some brake cleaner and spray some in each of them here, and then just take your towel and just we'll flip it back over for the bottom here. I take this steel wool here. There's a little bit of remnants left from the head gasket here. Just gonna lightly go over where the head gasket sits here and get off the rest of this little pieces here. Clean the block here. We're using this instant parts cleaner and degreaser and the brush. Okay, come here on the side of the block and we're just gonna This next portion of the video is going to be a montage of cleaning down the block and all the different tools we use to clean the block up for paint.
So in this next step, we're going to be taping off areas we don't want paint to get in.
In this next step here, we start painting over the side of the engine block. This is my first time ever painting anything, and it really shows because it's not a very good job, but enjoy. This was the next day, and we had put on 2 coats of paint on each side of the block. I think it turned out really well. I'm glad I chose to go with the gloss black paint. That was prepping and painting our d16z6 block for our 1992 Honda Civic hatchback. I really hope you guys enjoyed. Please let me know down below what you guys think of the paint job. It was my first time. I think it turned out pretty good. So please like and subscribe and stay tuned for the next episode. Thanks, guys.